project. It contains what is pollution and its types on page number 1 and 2. Pollution seen in and around my locality on page number 3 and 4. Pictures on cleanliness drive on page number 5. Newspaper article on non-renewable sources of energy on page number 6 and 7. Since this part of MDP revolves around pollution, so we should know what is pollution and its main types. So what is pollution? Pollution is the process of making land, water and air or other parts of the environment dirty and making them unsafe or unsuitable for use. Types of pollution. We can find one or more than one pollutions mentioned at the next page in any locality or environment. Each pollution is harmful for living things either in one way or the other. Hence, we must try to reduce pollution and make the earth a healthier place to live. Different types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, plastic pollution, light pollution, electronic waste pollution, noise or sound pollution. Following types of pollution can be seen in and around my locality. Air pollution. I saw a car giving out a lot of smoke, causing the atmosphere harmful to humans and animals and increasing the risk of respiratory infections, heart disease and lung cancer, etc. To reduce air pollution, carry out maintenance of vehicles regularly, use public transports, and avoid burning of leaves, trash and other materials and usage of firecrackers. Water pollution. I observed contamination of water body by human activities near Goa Shipyard, Vasco. This water is harmful for aquatic life. To avoid the water pollution, we must use proper sewage system, don't throw waste materials in water bodies and avoid urinating and excreting near water bodies. Land pollution. There is a heap of garbage or waste materials lying in the forest area near my society, and also saw burning of waste material in the field. These particles give rise to many diseases and also make agricultural land infertile. So to overcome this pollution, we should not throw materials in underground to make the soil contaminated. Plastic pollution. I saw the accumulation of plastic bottles, bags and small particles of plastic on the roadside, which affects the humans and animals' life because plastic pollution can afflict land, water bodies and waterways. To reduce its effects, stop using single-use plastic, bags, bottles, boycott microbeads, recycle and reuse the plastic materials, etc. Noise pollution. Please watch the video. Noise pollution, also known as sound pollution, is considered to be any unwanted or disturbing sound that affects health and well-being of humans and animals. Exposure to noise pollution can cause hearing and communication problem, sleeping disorder, high blood pressure, stress, headache, etc. The noise pollution is caused by heavy sound produced by vehicles, aeroplanes, loudspeakers, TVs and machines engaged in factories and construction work like this. To reduce ill effects of sound pollution, turn off appliances when not in use. Regular maintenance of machines and vehicles. Use earplugs or ear defenders. Keep TV and loudspeaker at low volume. Pictures on cleanliness drive. Cleanliness is of vital importance to reduce the effects of most of the pollutions because it destroys bacterial growth in the area concerned. So carry out the cleanliness drive in and around of your living spaces as I have done. This part of MDP is about non-renewable sources of energy like crude oil, coal, natural gas and nuclear energy that get exhausted. This news article, India, US, China, others to release crude oil reserves to cool prices, is about non-renewable sources of energy, that is crude oil. Here, United States had requested India, China, Japan and other countries to speed up the production increases to release crude oil from their emergency stock to bring down skyrocketing prices in the international market. The cost of crude oil had increased due to low production. Since crude oil being the non-renewable sources of energy, we must use it judiciously to conserve it for future generation. Thank you.